Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can restore photos from Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. There's the Photos section, Memories, Library, and Search. Here in the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon, right here, you're going to find the account you're logged in with. You're going to find the backup status, your account storage, free up some space, review out of sync changes, your data in Google Photos, photo settings, and so on. So basically, guys, in order to restore photos from Google Photos, all you need to do, guys, is go to the Photos section and then just look for the photos you want to restore. And then once you find it, go ahead and select them. Select all of the photos you want to restore from Google Photos. And then once you do that, go ahead and expand this menu here in the bottom. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to share the photos. Here you're going to find add to, delete, move to archive. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to save the photos or the media to your device. As you can see, guys, in my case, I have, instead of having save on device, I have delete from device. Because basically, guys, I already have these photos on my device. If you don't have them and you want to restore them, you're going to find save on device. Just click on it and then you're going to be able to restore the photos from Google Photos. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.